All right, so moving on with the Scout right here, we're going to try and fix this fender. As you can see, it's kind of dented in pretty good right up here in the front. So we're going to pop it off right here, and we're going to see if we can kind of get it straightened out a little bit. It's also got a little dent back there as well. So yeah, let's get it off and see what we can do. We almost have our fender off right here. There is a ridiculous amount of bolts holding this thing on here. Now, there should be some along the front edge right here, which I clearly don't have on mine. You're going to have the top ones up here, and then up underneath of the wheel well, you're going to have them all along up underneath here, and then there's about 3 back there. There's like 2 underneath, and then on the inside of the truck, this is where we got on the inside of the truck here, we also have all of these along the perimeter right here that we're going to have to go on ahead and take out. So these should be the last ones right here along the edge, and then we should be able to take off this fender and try and get it straightened out right here. Alright guys, that is not easy getting that off. To be honest with you, it's probably going to be easier just to remove the door to put this back on. So I'll probably just do that. Okay, we have a mixture of bleach right here. I got my PPE on. Now before I took the fender off, I also did have gloves and a mask on and everything. But just to be on the safe side, we're going to soak everything down with some bleach. And we're going to let it set for about 10 minutes. And then from there, we don't want to use a vacuum on this type of stuff right here. We just want to get a trash bag and some paper towels and just start bagging stuff up after about 10 minutes. Make sure you wear gloves and just protect yourselves right here, just in case there's any like rodent droppings or anything like that in there.
Oh, there you go.
There we are. That's it. Next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be moving our attention to the fender. The fender, as you can see, it's got a pretty big dent right there. We're going to try and pound that out of there, and we've got a couple smaller ones back here. So we're going to see what we can do. I'm not an expert on this, so bear with me. So let's flip this over. I have a bag of sand on the table right here. I'm going to try and put that sand underneath this and try and tap it out from the back side here. So we'll see how it works. We have come a long way on this from where it started. I've managed to get these dents out pretty good right here. There's still a tiny bit of them in here, so we're going to keep working on that. And this dent right here, it's actually looking a heck of a lot better right here. I'm still working on this down here and the body line right here and across here. From what I've been reading, what I've been told on some forums, to get the body line back in here, you can actually use a like a brick type chisel that you would use for like masonry. They said be very gentle on it, put it down on like some towels or blankets, and just kind of go at it a little bit. And then same thing with this bottom body line right here. So we're going to try this. Hopefully we can get it looking a little better. And then hopefully after that we can go on ahead and kind of sand it down. And I'm sure we'll probably have to do a small layer or two of maybe some filler on this. But we're going to see what we can do and see how it turns out. Okay, so here is how we are looking on the fender. We've been hitting it with a hammer and dolly multiple times. I got the huge crease that was in here out of it. It's looking a lot better. I know it's not perfect, but this is my first time doing anything like this. I tried to get the body line back into here, and then also back over here. I popped this out a little bit, and then I've been working on this area a little bit as well. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out so far. This is where we're going to end this video, but we're going to pick back up on it. We're going to continue to work on it right here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next one.